Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie.
The fuck did you do? Where's my couch?
Oh, absolutely not.
So a really cool thing happened. Made this Dutch door, French door, whatever the hell it's called, for my dogs.
Lovely piece of work.
This bitch chewed on a fucking... Whoa, she did chew the fucking door.
Nonsense. What did you do?
Whiskey! On today's episode of What Did My Dog Do Today?
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no.